Hey guys, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching this video and welcome to another Tech Talk 2021. Well, in today's video, we're actually going to talk about the integration between Yeastar P-Series PBX and Gigaset DECT phone. So you guys can see I got the DECT phone on my desktop. And well, we're actually going to use the auto provisioning for this registration. So what is the auto provisioning? You know, that's not a big deal. That's one of our key telephony features. We can easily use the auto provisioning with our templates for endpoints registration. So today, this is just a time for me to tell you guys that we do support Gigaset DECT phone by auto provisioning. Okay. So anyway, enough talk. Guess this is about the time for us to get started. Let's jump into the system. I will show you how do we configure this. Okay, so have a check here. I'm gonna log into my P570 directly, and once we're in the configuration portal, guys, simply just click on auto provisioning. There you go. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about here is going to be resource repository. This is exactly the thing I want to talk about first. The reason is pretty easy. It's very clear. The reason why I want to mention this, you know, this is exactly the place where we keep all of our templates. So for auto provisioning, for phone registration, anyway, you will need the template. All of our templates are going to be posted here. So on the right side corner here, we can actually select the vendor. Now, we're going to select Gigaset directly here. Now, these are all the supported model, by the way. So all the supported models are going to be posted here. And in today's video, the model I have here, it's called N870 IP Pro. This is the model I have here. All right. So make sure you have the supported model. And the next step, we can simply click on phones here, start the auto provisioning. By the way, guys, when you try to use the auto provisioning, just don't forget to make sure the physical connection is all configured. That's very important. Make sure everything's all set. And then when you get back to the P-Series system configuration portal, you will be able to see this endpoint. It's going to be detected automatically on the system. So we have N870 IP Pro here. We even have the IP address, right? Now, what are we supposed to do is pretty simple. We can click on Edit. We're going to distribute the extension number for this particular DECT phone. Here we go. By the way, guys, today the model we have here, N870, this model is quite special. It can support multiple terminals. Means this base can give us multiple terminals for our daily communication. This is actually the terminal device I mentioned before. So you will be able to have multiple terminal devices to register on the same base. All right. But anyway, I'm just going to take one of those user accounts. So I would like to assign the extension number to handset 1. And I guess I'm going to use my extension number for this handset. So let's just choose my extension, which is 2000. And next step, click on Save. Now we've already figured out the auto provisioning with our Gigaset DECT phone. Well, actually, guys, this auto provisioning just helps us to figure out the registration for this base. You guys can see we have base, we have mobile device. So basically means our job is not finished yet because we still need to figure out the connection between this mobile device and the base. This is a cordless solution, right? So how do we do that? Pretty simple. You guys can see here we have the IP address of our Gigaset DECT phone, right? You can simply click on this IP address. Then we're going to go access the configuration portal of our Gigaset, the DECT phone. Here we go. So just give me a sec. I'm going to jump into the system and finish this configuration for this Gigaset. Okay, here we go. Let's jump in. Once we're in the system, first thing we can just click on settings directly and find the mobile devices. There you go. And now we're going to click on administration. Since I mentioned the Gigaset DECT phone can support multiple user accounts, we're actually just going to take one of them, right? So I'm going to use the first one. You guys can see this one. And here's the deal, guys. Take a look on this. Authentication code 0000. Keep that in your mind. This is very important because later on, we're going to use this authentication code for the registration of our mobile device. So keep that in your mind. Then we can simply scroll down to the bottom side here. We got to register now. Click on this button. All right, there you go. After that, now let's get back to the hardware. Okay, we're going to grab this DECT phone and we're going to see this is the notification. Please register handset. Now you just click on register. And this mobile device will start searching in the local area to find the base. Now we have another notification. Please enter system PIN code. Now simply just enter 0000, then confirm with that. There you go. So it's registered. Now you guys can see it's already registered. All right. After that, guess we can get back to the system, back to the system portal here. You guys can see here, my user information is posted. All right, we have username 2000, display name Jason New. Anyway, we already figured out the registration. And you can even get back to your P570, okay? You can click on status here. There you go. This is the place where you can see the phone registration status, exactly. So if this is already registered, you will see here, status will show you it's already registered. Okay, so now we've already figured out the registration for this DECT phone, right? Then what now? Now let's just grab this mobile device, make a call, right? Because this is one of our extensions, which is 2000. So you guys can see I got my mobile here. I'm gonna make an external call. I'm gonna make an outbound call to my mobile. So let's do it. It's calling now. All right, let's just wait for a while. Okay, now we have the phone call here. Okay, I'm gonna hand it up. All right, so you guys can see this is just the way how we make a call on this DECT phone. Nothing special, right? Pretty simple. This is just like the way what we did before, because this is just one of our extensions. Nothing special, but it's just a cordless solution, right? All right, anyway, guess that was all we have for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already. And also, don't forget to visit Yeastar website, www.yeastar.com for more information. And I will catch you guys in the next one.